My maths topic today is about derivative of function. This topic is intended for grade 11 and students who are majoring mathematics in education and in engineering. So I have here the long process to solve the derivative. dy dx is equal to limit delta x approaches to 0, f times x plus delta x minus f of x all over by delta x. Note that y is equal to f of x. So number 1, example. Y is equal to 2x cubed minus 7x plus 1. So I have here limit delta x approaches to 0. Then I need to substitute. All variable x will be replaced by x delta x. So this will be 2x plus delta x raised to the third power, and then minus 7x plus delta x plus 1, and then minus the given. So 2x cubed minus 7x plus 1 all over by delta x. Okay, so how to expand x plus delta x cubed? Okay, there's a simplest way to solve this one by using Pascal's triangle. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. So these are the numerical coefficients of the variables. So first is 1. So this will be x cubed because this is the first, the second. Then this will be raised to the 0 power. And then plus. This will be reducing for the first term. This will be x squared. Then increasing for the second term. So this will be delta x. Sorry, there is 3. Plus 3. And then plus 3. Take note, x will be decreasing. So this will be 3x delta x squared. Then plus x raised to 0, and then this will be increased, delta x cubed. So I have here x cubed. Take note, this is equal to 1. So this multiplied by 1, then plus 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared plus this will be equal to 1 because any variable or number raised to 0, that will be equal to 1. So this will be delta x cubed. So I need to replace in here. So this will be x cubed. Sorry, there is 2x cubed. Then plus 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared. Then plus delta x cubed. Close, and then minus, distribute 7x minus delta 7 delta x plus 1, and then minus this one, minus 2x cubed minus minus will be plus 7x, then minus 1 all over by delta x. Okay, so distribute. So this will be 2x cubed plus 6x squared delta x plus 6x delta x squared plus 2 delta x cubed minus this one, the same, cross out 7x. Then what else? This one will be crossed out. So this will be 7 delta x, and then minus 2x cubed over delta x. So combine having delta x, so this will be 2x cubed. By the way, 2x cubed should be crossed out because there is another one. The last is negative 2x cubed. So this will be crossed out. So I have here 6x squared delta x plus 6x delta x squared plus 2 delta x cubed minus 7 delta x all over by delta x. So combine. So since all of them having delta x, the first term having delta x, the second, the third, and the fourth. So I can factor out the delta x. So delta x, then this will be 6x squared plus this one, I have 2, so this will be 6x delta x. Then in here, plus 2, since I have 1 in here, so only 2. So 2 delta x squared. Then minus 7, because I have delta x outside. So this will be close bracket. Then over delta x. So take note, there is limit delta x approaches to 0. So delta x will be crossed out. So limit delta x approaches to 0. So I have here 6x squared plus 6x delta x plus 2 delta x squared minus 7. So we will replace delta x will be equal to 0. So this will be 6x squared plus 6x times 0 plus 2, this will be 0 squared minus 7. So this will be 6x squared. This will be 0, 0. So I have here 6x squared minus 7. So this is now my first derivative. dy dx is equal to 6x squared minus 7. That's all.